With its svelte and lightweight design and cutting-edge hinge mechanism, the forthcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to revolutionize the industry. It will stand out from other smartphones because to the inner AMOLED display's flawless folding into a distinctive waterdrop form. Thanks to Samsung's innovative hinge technology, you can say goodbye to the wrinkle and gap seen in foldable smartphones. The most recent improvement makes creases less noticeable and makes it possible for both phone halves to fold shut tightly. This is a substantial advancement over their previous generation Galaxy Z series phones, which when folded featured a tiny gap close to the hinge. They keep setting the bar for innovative technologies for foldable gadgets. They have also made important advancements in the design of foldable phones with their new waterdrop-shaped hinge, which not only enables a modern and stylish appearance but also earns an amazing IPX8 grade for water resistance. Samsung chose to exclude the S Pen slot from the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in order to make it even smaller. They have continued to increase their sales despite this, however. Amazingly, they were able to sell 10 million foldable devices only last year. They want to increase sales of their Galaxy Z series phones this year by an astonishing 10%. According to rumors, Samsung is updating its next Galaxy Z series phones to meet these requirements. With the recent disclosure of additional details about these advancements, a fascinating new era in foldable phone technology has begun. According to the most recent source from South Korea's ET News, the gadget will be much lighter than its predecessor, coming in at only 250 grams, a surprising 13 grams less. With this noteworthy advancement, Samsung is on pace to provide a genuinely revolutionary flagship smartphone with groundbreaking design and unmatched functionality. When the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is out, they'll be pushing the envelope. Its predecessor was impressively 0.8 mm thicker than this one, with a folded thickness of only 4 mm. Samsung is working assiduously to ensure that they meet their objectives before the release later this year, even if these data have not yet been verified. A slim and portable gadget ideal for usage on the road, the prototype that is presently undergoing testing weighs only 254 grams. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.